Here we go.
Was a big air show on, and everybody in the world was going, except me. I had to stay in because Aunt Esmeralda was coming over to visit. I was busy with my homework when... Huh? The planes had disappeared. I had a bad feeling. I borrowed Sumerach's super-duper 5 million bazillion times magnification eyeglass. And sure enough...
Broccoli, yum, yum, yum. Broccoli, give me some.
Something strange was going on, and I had to get over there and help. First, I borrowed Sumerach's size expander ray gun, and then... Psst. Like it was supposed to be part of the show. I had to act fast. First, I sent out a call with Sumerach's interspecies communicator.
Calling all chickens! Calling all chickens! Gray and the Baddies are throwing your eggs! Gray and the Baddies are throwing your eggs!
Then I set the converter on Giant. But I still had to get those planes flying right. I had a hunch someone had hypnotized those pilots. And from the look of things, I'd guess it was those brain-sucking cuddle cubs.
Eat your vegetables. Children should be seen and not heard. Hold there. Eat your vegetables. Children should be seen
looked like we were in big trouble. We were gonna get our brains sucked out by the Cuddle Cubs. Then I got an idea. We could finally take care of those hypnotized pilots.
Prepare for in-flight pilot refueling sequence. Okay, release the chocolate milkshake.
Roger! That's strange. I just had a dream I was eating broccoli.
Me too. Love the stuff. Wait a second. No, I don't.
Enough talk about vegetables. We've got an air show to put on.
Let's return to base, Jorge. Our work here is done.
I didn't get to see the rest of the air show, but at least I knew I'd saved the day. And I also knew that Cray and the Baddies and the Cuddle Cubs wouldn't be back. Not today, at least. We were headed to the beach. I was all set to hit the waves when suddenly...
Oh, my, just look at those.
Looks like that new strain of extra stingy jellyfish. Guess we won't be going in the water.
Don't worry, Ollie. You can play in the sand with your sisters or the other children.
Yuck! Looked like I was on my own. I was ready to put the finishing touches on when... It was an urgent message from a handsome prince. He was on his way to marry his betrothed. When he was captured by a tribe of desert Amazons who were going to marry him at sundown and become his harem. He had drawn a map showing where he was being held prisoner. I knew I was supposed to stay behind, but this was an emergency. Fortunately, I'd brought Zoomerax's space-time discontinuum ray. It seemed like I had been trekking for minutes when... Uh-oh! I had to stop Fluffy before it was... too late.
I am the genie of the lamp. I have the power to make you happy. Just watch this. It's fun to eat your broccoli. It makes you feel all nice. Now why don't you be good, good, good and look into our eyes?
Don't look, pal. If you do, those guys will turn you into a sap.
Who dares defy me? Look into my eyes.
We had to slow that genie down. Whew. Now that we had that windbag in a bag, it was time to find the prince. We'd walked for what felt like minutes more. When suddenly...
They say there is only one kind of creature in the desert with underwear that big.
There was no time to lose. We had to figure out a rescue plan before the prince got himself a scare-em harem. We saved the prince, but now we had to get him home.
I am very grateful to you for rescuing the prince, my daughter's husband-to-be. How can I repay you? With rubies? Emeralds? Perhaps a palace of your own?
Me.
How about a chocolate milkshake?
Oh! Make it so. Are you sure you would not like to become one of my princes?
I have to get back, or my parents worry about me.
I know how that feels. Well, bon voyage then, and thank you once again.
Now that I was back at the beach, I could let go of the balloon. That genie didn't have any power here.
Do what I say. Do what I say. Do what I say.
Take a hike, furball.
What was that, Ollie?
Oh, nothing, Mom.
Well, come on. It's time to go home.
It was a boring Monday morning at school. Miss Grumpley was going on about stuff we were going to get tested on the next day.
Just remember the hypotenuse of the square root is obtusely proportionate to the cubed dihedral of the oligaric proximitarian, and you'll do just fine.
Great. I'll be the oldest kid in my class.
And I'll give a bonus mark to whoever can tell me what is being referred to in this riddle. The more you take, the more you leave behind.
The more you take, the more you leave behind. That bonus question was my only hope of passing the exam. But I didn't have any idea how to answer it. Then I got an inspiration. I'd scale Mount Neverest to find the wise man who lived at the top. He was said to know the secrets of the universe, so he could tell me the answer to the riddle, figure out the math test, and probably give me some karate tips, too. All my kung fu cosmic energy to show the master that I was worthy of his knowledge. But it would be a long, long journey. I'd never have time to get there and back by the end of lunch. So I asked Zoomerax to help me. Zoomerax couldn't resist a little trick shooting. The whole classroom was frozen in time. I knew this wouldn't be easy, but if I wanted those answers, I had to try. It sure was quiet up there. Too quiet! Uh-oh! Mountain bandits!
Hand over the lunch money, pilgrim.
No way!
You heard the man.
Get him! I thought I'd gotten out of trouble. Then I realized why they'd stopped chasing me! The abominable Snow Sisters were causing an avalanche! But lucky for everyone, their obnoxiousness got the best of them. I had finally reached the summit. Oh, great wise man, can you tell me the answer to this equation?
I haven't the faintest clue, kid.
What?
Sorry, I'm a wise man, not a rocket scientist.
Well, how about the answer to this riddle? What is it that the more you take, the more you leave behind?
It's me.
But I thought you were supposed to be a wise man. Don't you have any sagely advice at all?
Rotate your tires.
That's it?
Buy low, sell high.
What?
Oh, one more thing. In weather like this, be sure to wear your long underwear. 'Cause I forgot mine, and I am freezing.
Great. Thanks a lot.
No problem, kid. Anytime.
I knew there was no hope of me passing the math test now. The more you take, the more you leave behind. Footsteps. I realized that what they say is true. Even the greatest journey is taken one step at a time. Like studying for a test. I just had to take those steps. Sure enough, I got that bonus question right. And the rest of the test wasn't all that bad either. Maybe someday I'd become a wise man too. One step at a time.